Okay, trying the lane like this when you're going to have x lane 16 is equals to what? 2 lane x. I don't know any method used to solve for x here. It will be quite difficult. Dividing by x and dividing by 2, we're going to have lane 16 all over 2 is equals to lane x all over x. Okay, from here you can easily solve by bringing out this 2. So the 4 square, you're going to have what? 2 lane 4 on 2 is equals to lane x on x. Okay, you're going to have lane 4 is equals to lane x all over x. Okay, from here, you're going to have lane 2 square is equals to that. Is quite difficult. I want to show you a shorter method to solve this. But get back to it. We're having 16 to the power x is equals to x squared. Okay, what you can do is multiply everywhere by 1 over 2x. You're going to have 16 to the power x all to the power 1 all over 2x is equals to x squared all to the power 1 over 2x. What you're going to notice is that x and x will cancel, and 2 and 2 here will cancel. Hence, you are going to start left with your 16 to the power half is equals to what? X to the power 1 all over x. The 16 to the power half is the same thing as square root of 16. That is equals to 4. And you're going to have what? X to the power 1 over x. Let's recopy. 4 is equals to x to the power 1 over x. Okay, someone just take it 2 square. Yeah, 2 square, but why if we take negative? This negative 2 square is the same thing as 4. Okay, it's equals to what? X to the power half 1 over x. Okay, if we took negative 2, it's equals to what? This 2 is the same thing as what? 1 all over half. That will be equals to what? X to the 1 all over x. Are you seeing where you are going to? I think, yeah. If you bring a negative up and down, that will be the same thing. Therefore, you have negative 2 to the power what? Negative 1 all that to the power 1 all over negative half is equals to what? X to the power 1 over x. Okay, from here, what are you seeing? You are seeing negative half, because 2 to the power negative 1, you can bring it down, times 1 all over negative half is equals to what? X to the power 1 on x. Hence, our x will be equals to what? Minus half. Okay, since from here, we have this, we have our x inside here. This is the value, that's minus half. And we come to the end of this.